Hello everybody. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can transport goods in OpenTTD. So when it comes to OpenTTD, goods are a secondary resource and they can only be produced by factories, sawmills, oil refineries, etc. And you have to feed them with a primary good before they can become a secondary good. So for the sake of this tutorial, I've set up some trains that are currently delivering livestock and grain to this factory. If I hover over the factory here, you can see that I currently have 780 crates of goods with 0% transported. So this factory is now currently producing goods with all of the grain and livestock that's currently coming in. And in order to deposit the goods, in order to transport them, we're going to need to build a goods network to go from the factory to a local town. So I'm just going to quickly go ahead and do that now. So I brought my railway line down to the city that I want to deposit goods to and hopefully set this line up. Now, it's important to note that when we are looking to put goods into the city, we do need to have the catchment area explicitly telling us that it has goods acceptable. Now, goods are something that is basically determined by the buildings in the catchment area. Houses themselves, so if I take the station out here, for example, you can see that we currently accept and supply passengers and mail, but currently goods are not on there. And the reason for that is because you kind of need these skyscraper type buildings, a minimum of 3, I believe, in order to actually get this catchment. And if I put the station here, you can see that the station now currently does accept goods. So we can see here that it does accept goods. And I'll quickly put a goods line on this now. So once I've got my line set up like this, I can go ahead and put a goods train on the line. And here now we can see that this goods train will begin to fill up as more trains drop off their primary cargoes. The secondary train is now off. It's full of goods. I'll just quickly show that to you now. We just have a quick look inside the goods train. We can see that it's full of goods here, 25 crates of goods all around. As it comes into the station, we can now see that that is successfully dropping off the goods for a tidy profit. And we've made a nice £23,000 from these goods. And that train will now go back and refill from this station with 1,000 additional crates of goods. I'm actually going to put some extra trains on this line since we've got so much goods to send. So I'm going to put that on there. Just get a second one out here as well quickly. But that is it, guys. That is how you transport goods in Open Transport Tycoon. I hope this tutorial has helped. Thanks for watching.